and I have no fear except the fear of losing you. This kind of love is one in a million. My only joy in life is you. I love you every day. I thank you Allah because He answered my prayer and gave me the most beautiful woman in the world. I love you every single day, happy like a star shining brightly in the night sky. You are love illuminates my love life, filling me with warmth and light. You are my guiding light, my north star. Your love is garden of beauty and grace, a place where my soul finds peace and tranquility. I am so blessed to have you in my life. In your embrace, I find a sense, a belonging and secret that I have never known before. Your love is my safe haven. In your arms, I find solace and comfort, safe haven from the storms of life. Your love is my anchor, keeping me grounded and secure. Your love is a flame that burns bright in my soul's warm me from the inside out. I am forever grateful from the light you are bringing into my life. I like a rivers flowing steadily towards the sea. My love for you is constant and unvarying. You are my destinations, my home. Every moment spent with you is treasure, a gift that I hold close to my heart. Your love is the music that plays in my soul. I could search the world over and never find a love as pure and true as the love I have for you. You are my forever and always, like a flower's reaching for the sun. My heart reaches out to you, always seeking your warmth and light. You are my sunshine on a day. Your love is a melody that plays in my heart. Some poems of my emotions that joy fills me with joy and peace. I am so grateful to have you in my life. I have you make me smile, but more than anything, I love you how you make me feel alive. I cannot clear express gratitude for making me feel like the luckiest and most amusing person in the world. I strive to be the man you needed every day because you are deserve all the happiness in the world. Each time I look into your eyes, I feel I feel deeper in you. I love you with you, and it makes me realize that you are destined to be together. You were created last, middle, late, and greating detail made for me alone. Seeing you every morning is a gift I would never take for granted. Loving you comes naturally, and it's been the best thing in life. I will always be there for you, not just during the good times when we are blissful and at peace. I am here for the bad times as always, the sleepless nights, the stressful work days, and the trust dreams and experiences. I promise to love and hold your hand throughout the storms of life, and when things get better, I will always be there to celebrate with you. Thank you for being the best thing that every happened to me. Having you in my life is not only blessing, but it's also an inspiration to go a long way. You can make me feel happy like into clothes only else's can. Every day is a blessing to have you in my life, Henny. Now I have showed the real family our wedding certificate, and they expected us to go to God married and husband and wife, but we lost connections with you, Henny. Text when you get the message. I love you. My love you are love is like a light those that guides me through the story seas of life. I am forever grateful for your presence in my life, darling. You love is like a symphony that plays in my heart, filling me with joy and happiness. I love you more than words can express. To my darling, your love is like a melody that plays in my heart, bringing me peace and comfort in times of needed. I am forever grateful for your love, sweetheart. Your love is like a warmth embrace that comforts me in times of sorrow and lifts me up when I am down. I am blessed to have you in my life, my love. Your love is like a light those that guides me through the storms seas of life. I am forever grateful for presence in my life. Hearts always reminds me of you in no matter how busy I am. Love you, baby. The more days pass, the deeper fell in love with you. Are the queen of my heart. Never had I imagined I would run into someone. I never thought that a woman how is as wonderful as you would like someone like me, but it just goes to show real love does exist, and I am lucky to have it.